Oh, well, that sounds better, it's more solid, right? Oh, thank you, sweetie, I appreciate that.
So this is only equivalent, this is only equivalent
Good.
to district courts right now.
Did you give Puppy his coat?
District court.
Or not district, but
And did you write it up?
University Place.
Yeah, so we currently rent
We
out
just
this
read it.
courtroom. It's very new. I think as early as 2022 they started
Thank
doing
you.
this.
Okay.
We have not been out of Lakewood very long.
Is he getting kind of icky outside?
So, Horace or Hawthorne law firm, they're not helping anymore over here.
No, they do not
Just
have
runs
this
the
contract.
I have somebody
They
coming tomorrow.
still have the
I think
Lakewood
he was coming
and,
tomorrow. So, yeah, to do stuff on the property,
They still look, yeah, they still have that contract.
because, you know, it's just
Okay,
not,
so let's go back.
there's a lot of stuff that needs to be done, but.
So this is your case number, this is you, city.
So.
We'll continue with further investigation, negotiation. Come back 12/19 and 15, same program.
So we can do, it's just for,
Like the
investigation, negotiation, we're not doing any more investigation or anything.
Well, we are and we aren't, but we're threading the tightrope,
Okay.
lack of a better expression,
What's your
like we
plan for
discussed
this
in detail.
evening?
Gotcha.
It's primarily negotiation. I can also produce a bunch of mitigation.
Oh, okay, yes.
Things that
Yes,
lessen
yes, you do.
everything to get us
That's
in a better
priority.
situation like all your
Yeah.
treatment. Lessening factors that will make the city more open to full results.
Gotcha.
Alright,
She's only
maybe
gonna
you
do
can
that,
like
like,
find
she
a
wants to
home
keep,
for the rest of.
the rest of us in
all
the salt floor, so it's
tips
gonna
and
be the
games
same
that
thing, right?
Well, we may be able to
I'll
get it
do
diverted
for
so
the
it just gets dismissed.
party.
And I don't want anything getting added on top of it, that's
I don't, yeah, the only thing,
right? So all you're doing is allowing the court to have more time for your case to proceed, okay? You're not giving up any other right to actually have a trial or anything, you're just
Yeah.
allowing it to
And then
take
you have
longer.
I get my speedy trial, or my speedy waiver.
Okay? And then the conditions as set on October 6, 22 all remain in place, okay? So you gotta keep following those.
If you can.
Okay, if I sign on your behalf,
Yeah, as long as I get copies of it.
you will. I can ask for that.
Okay, bye-bye.
Show them around. So is this a court that has, streaming?
Not currently, no. They do have streaming in the past, they currently do not live stream anything. And that's because the courtroom is open.
I don't know, I mean,
So the Constitution requires that courtrooms be open in public. There's a very clear case on that. And so during the pandemic, because they were closed and people couldn't commingle, etc., they did a lot of virtual streaming so that there could be public viewing and the court could be quote unquote open. But it's actually kind of a pain for the clerks to do both.
I can imagine.
So, because people are allowed in the building, they learn that to all times. That makes sense?
Okay.
So yeah, no, you're not being streamed today.
Oh, no, I was excited about that.
Well, sorry that. Let's keep moving. We're almost ready, buddy. We'll be out of here soon.
Thank you for your time, ladies.
We'll both be out of here by 2:05.
The clerk called me and then they did have the audio, the transcripts from the last, area.
So they don't transcribe that for you for free, you would have to go get a transcriber yourself.
And what if you have a place to transcribe it?
People who do that, they usually connect it to the court. You can Google transcription services, etc.
That's what should be accredited with the court.
They generally charge you per page in my previous experience. Okay, here we go.
There's all this stuff behind me.
Keep focusing on that. Clear the links and
Yeah.
PCA. And that's gonna give you a lot of juice to make this go in the right way, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Alright. Okay, I sent you both now.
Thank you, ladies.
Just hang out. We'll get a judge back very soon. Judge is gonna make sure you understand you're resetting your time for trial, that otherwise all your rules are the same. And when you're coming back, they'll print you a copy, and then we'll just keep working.
Gotcha. Thanks, sir.
Same thing. Just to make sure you understand the speedy trial right at the end of the trial. Print you a copy, and then, you get some better, you get better finances, etc. And then alright?
Else is a bond, are you moving that or
No, I'm sorry, it just should remain.
it's okay to put that on there?
Yes,
Forwarded?
good catch.
Phelps next. That's 2AC 100101. Mr. Phelps is present out of custody today for posting bail. He is here with Mr. Grant, attorney of record, and this is an agreed motion to continue.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. For the record, Stephen Gray, Department of Sign Counsel, on behalf of Mr. Phelps, present to my left, out of custody and in court. Your Honor, it's a very new case, and Mr. Phelps just was managed to get out of custody. Just need more time to investigate and negotiate this matter. So we're asking to set it over to December 19th for the speedy trial waiver for March 19th, 2023. We go over that speedy trial waiver. I believe Mr. Phelps understood it and is agreeing to waive it. Thank you.
Good afternoon, Ms. Phelps. Would you please state your full name for the record?
Jordan Phelps.
Mr. Phelps. Do you still reside at the address on Bridgeport Way in University of West Washington?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we're here for a pretrial conference on the criminal charges of assault, fourth degree, and violation of protection order. Your attorney indicates that he'd like some additional time to prepare for a defense or negotiate a resolution on your behalf. He's asked that we set this for a new hearing. City prosecutor isn't opposed for the new hearing date. He just asked that you execute a speedy trial waiver. Mr. Grant, your attorney indicates that he reviewed your speedy trial rights with you and you were willing to extend those by signing a speedy trial waiver and setting a new commencement date. Does that sound familiar to what he discussed with you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, is the document in live stream folder, or do we have a hard copy document? All right, so, by signing this document, you've agreed to set a new commencement date of December 19th. That's when the 90-day clock for speedy trial starts running again. So the city would have up to 90 days from that date to bring this matter to a resolution. Understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll accept the waiver of speedy trial and approve the new hearing date of December 19th. The conditions of release imposed on October 27th will remain the same. So the bail that was posted is going to remain held, and the conditions that were imposed upon you remain the orders of this court while this matter is pending. Any questions about any of that?
No, sir.
I have my signature here. Okay, so we've got back to the last one.
Is that just your copy? That 19th of April, 2019. I'll send you this from the 4 o'clock. If you have any questions, speedy trial March 19th, would you agree with that? Alright, so if you make me that phone straight on, okay?
You got it.
And your sister and brother called
Can I grab one of these?
Good job there, yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, next matter is Timothy Herbert. This is 2AC 100098. Mr. Herbert, present here out of custody with Mr. Grant, who's attorney of record. This is a pretrial, and Your Honor, it's an agreed set over also to December 19th, and the document should be there electronically for you.
Thank you. Good afternoon, Your Honor. For the record, Stephen Gray, Department of Sign Counsel, on behalf of Mr. Herbert, is present to my left, out of custody here in court. That is all correct. Continuing to make some progress on this case. Mr. Herbert's come back before the court after he had a little bit of an FTA that we managed to get a re-summons on. And we're apologetic for that, but he's back in touch with me. He's back in front of the court. And we are making some progress. Just ask for a little more time to try and resolve this matter. And so we targeted December 19th with a waiver through March 19th of 2023 to go over the waiver. Mr. Herbert, he understood that he's simply adjusting the time for trial. He's not giving up any of his other rights, and I believe he's okay with that. Thank you.
All right, good afternoon, Mr. Herbert.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
go ahead and state your full name for the record, please.
Yes, sir, it's gonna be Timothy James Herbert.
Mr. Herbert, do you still reside at the address on 51st Avenue, Port West, in University Place?
Yes, sir, 5129.
All right, sir, we're here today for a pretrial conference on the criminal charge of assault 4-3. Your attorney indicates that he needs a little more time to continue assisting you with negotiations or preparing a defense for you. He's asked that we reset this for a new pretrial conference. Proposed new hearing date is December 19th. The city prosecutor doesn't oppose your request to reschedule this, just have asked that you execute a speedy trial waiver. Your attorney, Mr. Grant, indicates that he reviewed with you your speedy trial rights and advised you that by signing the document that's now before me, you are agreeing to waive your speedy trial rights. Do you recall him explaining that to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just in summary, you have the right to be brought to trial within 90 days of your first appearance. You're setting what's called a new commencement date. That means that 90-day clock doesn't even start running again until you appear next December 19th. So that's the start of the 90-day clock. So the city would have until March of the following year to bring this to resolution. Is that okay with you?
Yes, sir.
Very well. I'll accept the waiver of speedy trial. I will sign this order resetting this matter for a pretrial conference on December 19th here in this courtroom. Speedy trial waiver included in this order. A reminder that the conditions imposed upon you at the time of your first appearance remain in place. And so whatever the conditions imposed. So this is one of those that truncates it to 2020. Sorry, we have new forms and some of them don't the way they're supposed to be. Okay, so I've signed this stipulation order of continuing the hearing and waiver speedy trial, so that will be simply one minute.
If I may, I'd like to apologize for missing out for the last court appearance, and I'm not trying to waste you guys' time, so I sincerely appreciate you, and I'm sorry that I am here before you guys again, so,
That's good. That's good. Good job.
Thank you, Mr. Weaver. Make sure you cover all the other court dates.
yes, sir, I will be here.
Okay, you're ready to go. There's your copy. All right, we'll be in touch. Thank you. I think that concludes the calendar, at least for DAC.
Yeah. We'll add a couple of comments to the calendar.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, I kept that once a panel. Sometimes a panel withdraws. Are they still on it? Okay. Good. Okay, good. I took a look at that.
All right, well, we'll be until 4 a.m.
It's already dark. The clouds too, but,
I know.
well, it's also 3:07. You know what I mean? It's technically 2:07. You need all that one, right?